Sparks with Cork and Platter, and today I'm going to make a roast beef and Thousand Island sandwich. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a little bit of mustard. I use Dijon. I love it. You can put grainy, you can put yellow. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put down our beef. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our veggies. So we're going to put a little bit of onion. Just a couple rings. This recipe makes one sandwich. So far we've put down 1 teaspoon of Dijon, 4 ounces of roast beef, 2 rings of onions, and then we're going to put down 2 slices of tomato. I like to season my tomato. It just brings out the flavor of the tomato. I put a little bit of salt, and I love to put lemon pepper on my sandwiches. So a little bit of lemon pepper. The sandwich, you'll taste the difference. And then the last thing I put down is my Thousand Island dressing. You can make this from scratch, or you can buy it from the store, whatever you prefer. I love romaine. It's crunchy and it's sturdy. So if I'm making the sandwich and I'm taking it to go to the zoo or to the park, it holds up. I just like to pop the spine out of it so that it lays flat on my sandwich. Curl it up a little bit and just lay it flat. And then the last thing I do is put my last slice of bread. I like to do this way too when I'm taking this sandwich on a picnic. Then the Thousand Island dressing isn't making my bread soggy. When you're going to cut your sandwich, hold the sandwich on the edges of your bread and just let the sharp knife do the work. That way you won't squish all the components of the sandwich. And you just let the knife do the work and cut through all the components. It takes a little bit, but if you're patient, you'll have a nice fluffy roast beef sandwich. Okay, and then we take our sandwich and open it up. All the sauce is dripped down into the components of the bread. This looks great. And that's how you make a roast beef with Thousand Island sandwich.